This is my guys, blessed morning to all of you. Ito po ay proof na ang aming mga anak ay mababait. Ito po ay bigay ng aking anak na bunso at ito po ay pinagsasaluhan namin ng mag-anak ang inom nitong gatas na ito. Yan. Okay. So, please subscribe God's Glory Vlogger to help those needy people in our country. Mostly the servants of God, church members, elders, senior citizens, out of school youth, widowers, sick people, people in the hospital, a family that has passed away their member of the family who has passed away and have no money to retrieve the corpse from the yun. Okay, so from the morgue, so we will help them to reach out their needs, to help little things to make them happy and teach them how to trust God. They will cry not because their prayers are not already answered yet, but God will use us to share those blessings to make them cry and to make them trusting our Lord. So please subscribe in my YouTube channel, God's Glory Vlogger in YouTube. And my FB, Josinil Ocampo, JOSIENHIL Ocampo. My Reels in TikTok, also Josinil Ocampo. My another account on TikTok, Pastor Nilo Ocampo. That's me. Okay, so hello vlog, this is my guys. Don't forget to subscribe God's Glory Vlogger for a cause. Bye-bye, God bless you. Salamat sa aming anak na bunso. Alam niya na yan. Ang Diyos ang babalik sa iyo ng siksik, liglig at umaapaw. Kayo ba nabibigyan kayo ng inyong mga anak na ganito? Kung hindi, mag-pray kayo sa inyong mga anak. Sa Lord, nabigyan din kayo ng inyong mga anak ng kahit mga simpleng bagay na makapagpapasaya sa magulang. Salamat anak. God bless you. Bye-bye. God bless. God's Glory Vlogger YouTube channel.